Daily English, Day 3, you are listening to Sam, your personalized English coach. Today, you are going to learn how to greet someone while starting a conversation and closing a conversation. You can say hi to people at your age, hello to people elder or senior by position to you, or people of respect. If you meet more than one, say hello everyone, hello everybody. If you are meeting one person, or more than one, say, in common, it is a pleasure meeting you, or I am so glad to meet you, or it is good to see you. Whenever you get a response from people, say, thank you. If you are very specific about the time of meeting, you can even say, good morning, good noon, or good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you get a response from people, say, thank you. When you close the conversation, depending on the time, or the context, especially at the time of leaving, say, good day, have a good day, have a great day, good night, see you tomorrow, see you soon, catch you later, thank you for listening. See you in Day 4. Please remember to subscribe TeacherTechTube and click bell button for future updates.